Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So today we are going to do a monthly reading for Scorpios for the month of December 2025. This is a general reading guys, please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. Okay, so let's see what do the cards have for Scorpios for December 2025. What is the overall energy for Scorpios we have in December? What's the overall energy for Scorpios we have in December? Overall energy for Scorpios. What is the overall energy we have for Scorpios? Wow. Can take this. Okay, please clarify the Queen of Wands. What's the overall energy for Scorpio? Okay, right. Let's see what the key challenges we have for Scorpios in December. Key challenges we have for Scorpios in December. Key challenges we have for Scorpios. Okay. Let's see what are the actions or advice we have for you, Scorpios. What are the actions or advice we have for you, Scorpios? Actions or advice for Scorpios. Actions or advice for Scorpios. Okay, please clarify Nine of Swords as the actions or advice for Scorpios. Alright, let's see what are the strength and opportunities we have for Scorpios. Okay, bottom of the deck we have Eight of Cups. Okay, so Eight of Cups, this card, this energy is basically about your subconscious energies or the energies you are lately going through without actually realizing it or sharing it with others. Okay, so it's like you are walking away from something which is not serving you anymore. Okay, you are walking away. It can be a relation, it can be a workplace, it can be a relocation also for some of you. So you are ready to move on in your journey, move on in your life towards something exciting, something adventurous, something which is new for you. Okay, you are leaving that comfort behind and leaving things behind which are not giving you that peace, that satisfaction. It can be an emotional level satisfaction also for some of you, and you are leaving something behind towards something new. Okay, that is what I'm getting here. Now the overall energy for you Scorpio in December I see is you are dealing with a lot. First of all, okay, I'm seeing that you are tired of handling so much all together. आप बहुत सारी responsibilities हो सकता है आपके ऊपर है, and you are trying your best to deal with things in a maximum, in your utmost बेस्ट. ओके, हाउ डू वी से इट, आप अपना बेस्ट दे रहे हो जो भी सिचुएशन, जो भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज है उसमें. बट नाउ यू आर समवेयर यू आर टायर्ड. इट्स लाइक अ वुंडेड एनर्जी. ओके, कि आप थक गए हो, यू नीड सम टाइम ऑफ टू टेक सम रेस्ट. ओके, but you are not getting that time to take rest. Rather, instead of giving up, I also see that you are someone who is very charismatic. Okay, someone who is independent, who is confident, and who is having that leadership authority, that leadership role to play. You are very nurturing, also very confident. People look at you, you inspire people, you motivate people. Also, I see people feel drawn towards you. Okay, through your charisma you will be attracting there's so much of attention. Basically, I see for some of you, you will be getting attention of the people because of your charisma, your passion, your confidence, and your that how do you say, that pure that pure energy basically. Okay, us tarah ka I am getting that message here. But you will be dealing with so much, but you will be dealing with everything in a best way, and people will somewhere appreciate your this passion, your sense of responsibility, your your charismatic and authoritative skill. Okay, people will be appreciating you for your confidence and for the lead that you are taking up. Okay, that's a very good card, but don't forget to take rest. Okay, that is also I am getting for you. Now the key challenges and obstacle is, as I said, something you are moving on from. Okay, आप किसी चीज से move on कर रहे हो. Now for some of you, you might be, you know too rigid or too stubborn, I can say, in certain situations where you are not, um, आप अपने आप से बहुत ज्यादा जाती करते हैं ना, आप बोलते हैं आप अपने आप के साथ बहुत ज्यादा रूड हो जाते हो कभी कभी, उस तरह की एनर्जी मुझे दिख रही है. So you are, even if you are hurt, you are displaying or you are portraying that you're perfectly fine and nothing can bother you or nothing can hurt you, but deep down you are dealing with something which is very painful. Okay, Scorpio, I am seeing that something happened which has given you severe, wound, which is an emotional wound. Basically, it can be a betrayal, it can be a heartbreak energy for some of you, it can be uh, uh, trust, the trust was broken by a most trusted person. Okay, उस तरह का energy मुझे दिख रहा है. Deep down you are hurt, but you are not portraying it to the world. You are showing that you are unbreakable, unshakable, and nothing can stop you, and you are, uh, not, you are not someone who can be defeated, which is good. But you should not forget that you need to heal yourself also. Okay, आप दुनिया के सामने confident रहो, independent रहो, that is very good, but deep down don't forget to heal your wound. As I said, आप थक चुके हो, you are tired, so don't forget to take rest, don't forget to take some time off to heal yourself so that you can actually move on. Okay, instead of just showing it. I also see that whatever the challenges coming in your way, you will be able to deal with those challenges in a more, as I said, आप बहुत ज़्यादा responsibilities ले रहे हो, but आप बहुत बहुत अच्छी तरह से उसको manage कर पाओगे, and people will be looking towards you, people will be admiring you for what you are doing, because it's like जितना भी तूफान आ जाए, मैं नहीं हिल सकता या हिल सकती. ओके, उस तरह की एनर्जी है. आई एम माई फाउंडेशन इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू होल्ड ऑन. या सॉरी, देयर इज सम वर्क गोइंग ऑन. सो इट्स लाइक कितना भी कोई भी चैलेंज क्यों ना आ जाए, नथिंग कैन ब्रेक मी. ओके, मुझे कुछ तोड़ नहीं सकता कोई भी सिचुएशन, कोई भी चैलेंज, विच इज गुड. बट डीप डाउन यू आर टायर्ड ऑफ fighting battle. You may be constantly fighting some or the other thing, and now you need rest. Okay, you need some time off, but the challenges are just not getting over. Okay, it's like you are, एक चीज खत्म होता है, दूसरा आ जाता है, फिर दूसरा खत्म होता है, कुछ तीसरा आ जाता है. उस तरह का energy is what I'm getting for you. So even if you are tired, you might not get time to actually take rest. So just don't give up on any situation. Just keep going, keep pushing yourself a bit. Whenever possible, try to keep yourself calm. Try to take little bit of rest if possible, and emotional, physical, mental health is also important. So try to take some time off, and take one thing at a time. ओके, फोकस करिए किस चीज़ पे अभी करंट सिचुएशन पे किस चीज़ पे ध्यान देना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. इफ द थिंग्स आर इन योर कंट्रोल, यू कैन डू सर्टेन थिंग अबाउट इट, टेक एक्शन. इफ नॉट, सरेंडर टू द यूनिवर्स एंड ट्रस्ट द डिवाइन. ओके, सो जो आपके हाथ में है उस चीज़ पे आप फोकस करिए, उस चीज़ पे एक्शन लीजिए, उस चीज़ पे ध्यान दीजिए. और जो आपके हाथ में नहीं है, जस्ट सरेंडर इट टू द यूनिवर्स एंड टू दैट डिवाइन फॉर्म एनर्जी, विच एवर फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी you believe in. Surrender it to that energy, and that energy will take care of it. Okay, so you might be having a bit of busy and tiring month, but don't give up. Okay, keep going and you will definitely get through it. Okay, now the actions are advised here, Scorpio. See, I was saying you need to take some time off, you need to take some time for rest. Okay, mental, physical, emotional health, that is what this card is saying. क्योंकि you might be dealing with so much and you will be thinking a lot कि how to do this, मैं इस चीज़ को कैसे मैनेज करना है, इस चीज़ को कैसे मैनेज करना है, इसको कैसे हैंडल करना है, इसको कैसे. So you will be doing things and thinking a lot, and because of that you might have some sleepless nights also. But all you have to do is you need to चेंज योर पर्सपेक्टिव. एज आई सेड, जो आपके हाथ में है उस चीज़ पे फोकस करिए, जो आपके कंट्रोल में है उस चीज़ पे फोकस करिए, उसके अकॉर्डिंग एक्शन लीजिए, उसके अकॉर्डिंग अपने डिसीजंस लीजिए. और जो आपके हाथ में नहीं है, जस्ट सरेंडर इट टू द डिवाइन. ओके, something will be moving too fast. Okay, I see that you might be, unplanned travel हो सकता है आपके लिए. Something is moving, okay, some movement is happening, okay. You might, for some of you, I see that there can be this energy of relocation, because of which also you might be thinking how to manage so much, in such a short period. That is also the kind of energy I'm getting. There is some movement happening. It can be, you might travel because of work related thing, work. It can be business travel, it can be small travel which is an unexpected, unplanned, journey, because of which you might also be, थोड़ा सा आप एंजाइटी आपको हो सकता है, आप थोड़ा ओवर थिंक कर सकते हो कि कैसे प्लान करना है, कैसे अरेंज करना है, ऑल दैट. So you just have to, relax, take few deep breaths and think, and just try to understand सिचुएशन को. समझिए क्या है, कैसे है, उसको कैसे हैंडल करना है, और बहुत पेशेंस के साथ चीज़ों को हैंडल करिए. आप अपने पर्सपेक्टिव को चेंज करिए, ओके. डोंट लेट दैट एंजाइटी ओवर पावर यू, डोंट लेट दैट ओवर थिंकिंग हैपन, ओके. आप प्रॉपरली धैर्य के साथ, बहुत धीरज के साथ में आप अपने माइंड को शांत रखते हुए चीज़ों को समझते हुए डिसीजन लीजिए, ओके. जस्ट चेंज योर पर्सपेक्टिव. यू हैव एवरीथिंग, यू आर जस्ट अननेसेसरी थिंकिंग, and because of that there are sleepless nights I'm seeing you are dealing with, okay. So just try to change your perspective, try to take charge, or try to take action for the things which you are, things which are in your control or which you can handle. Rest, surrender everything to the universe, okay. Now, the strength and opportunities, as I said, right, you will be able to balance things. No matter how many things are coming to you, you will be able to handle things, manage things in a most admirable way, okay. This is confirmed by this card, okay. So you will definitely get the growth. As I was saying, right, people will see you as someone who is someone who can take the lead, someone who is confident, who is nurturing, who is loving, and who is having that charisma to deal with the things and the situation in a most mature way, okay. उस तरह की एनर्जी है. So as I said, आप चीज़ों को मैनेज कर पाओगे, हैंडल कर पाओगे बहुत आराम से. You will also get the rewards of your work, okay. आप there is growth coming in, there is recognition coming in, there is acknowledgement or recognition coming in for you, I see, okay. The sun is shining bright by end of the month, okay. So you are having the courage, you are having the capability to handle things. You also have the childlike energy, like that fearless energy, right. बच्चे कैसे होते हैं ना, उनको डर नहीं लगता. They are just, they will just jump into things they are not aware of. फिर उस तरह का एनर्जी है, दैट fearless energy, that childlike innocence also I am seeing. You are pure at heart, you have pure intention, and you are having that fiery energy to do things, and you at the same time you have that maturity to handle things and manage the things in a most admirable way, okay. I also see that you will be able to handle the things in a most practical and traditional way, okay. You are able to create balance, you are able to create balance in the most किसी ट्रेडिशनल चीज़ को प्रैक्टिकल अप्रोच लेते हुए अगर आपको आगे बढ़ना है तो उस चीज़ को भी आप बहुत आराम से कर पाओगे. यू विल बी एबल टू बैलेंस योर mind and body and soul, okay. उस तरह का energy is also I am getting. So basically there is growth coming in, there is recognition coming in. People see you as someone who is nurturing, loving, caring, because these are both the major arcana cards and they are both your strength. The strength is to manage things properly, having that childlike innocence, having that fiery energy and that fearless energy, and the maturity to handle things in a most manageable way, in a practical and traditional way, managing both, okay. So you don't worry, okay. You don't have to stress over things because you will be able to handle things in a most admirable way, okay. Just keep going, don't give up, keep going, and you will definitely overcome the challenges whatever are coming your way, and you will come out with flying colors, okay. That's the energy I have for you, Scorpio. If you have liked it, please do like this video. Please claim the positive energy from this reading. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye.